Alright, Captain Clarendon College, Malachi Douglas. Unfortunately, on the losing end today. Though your team performed very formidably. Speak to us about how you're feeling right now.
Well, I'm very disappointed. That's all I gotta say today. Came out here very confident, but didn't get the result that we wanted. So it's not over. It's not finished right here. So just gotta go back to the training pitch and work harder.
You guys seem to have been knocking on the door for the whole game. You outpossessed Kingston College. You got more chances. You did everything better than them in the game except score 4 goals. What do you think about your team's performance?
We performed very well, but as you can see, we need to work on our finishing. It happened 2 games now. Our semi-final in the Lancaster Cup and now our semi-final in Champions Cup. We just need to go back to the training ground and work on our finishing. It's very hard.
Daniel, he came on in number 11, the substitute. Amazing goal. Speak to us about his contribution after being introduced to the game.
He helped us a lot, as you can see. And he's a youngster actually. Very talented and hard-working person. He's one for the future.
And lastly, Dejan Richards. You guys played well, as you said before, but was just done on the day by a good player. Speak to us about Dejan Richards.
He's actually a good friend of mine. He actually played at National Under 20 level. He's a very talented player, and what's after him? He outdone us today, as you can see, and that's it.
Alright, lastly, your guys' season, you guys have one more game, or maybe 2, because of the Oliver Shield if you guys win. What are your plans and aspirations going into that game?
Well, we just gotta come back stronger, and we will come back stronger and defend our Dakar.
Alright, good game again, Malachi. Yeah. Good game.